What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be working on the Nissan again. What we're going to start with is we're going to cut out this rust at the back, which we have over there, and also this side. This side is actually the worst because it's like completely rusted through. So we're going to mark everything out, cut it out so we can take it to a place so that they can like bend and make us new ones, and then we can replace them and weld them back.
So this piece here doesn't want to come off, it's spot welded on.
Yeah, there's like a channel underneath and it's spot welded to the channel, so we can take it off, but we're just gonna mess it up, and we don't actually want to mess it up because then they can't press it. So we have another alternative we're gonna do. So yes. I took out this piece, it just goes over the gas tank there, so that they can like measure the bends they have to do. And then I can just mess this piece up. It's not gonna matter because when we're gonna like take it out, it's just gonna break into pieces, and then they're not gonna bend it perfectly as we want. Yes. So we're just gonna send them that, measure these pieces so that we can give them the measurements, and then they can bend it for us.
Cool.
So guys, I quickly went to the engineering shop and I took the piece of metal with me, but they are closed at the moment because it's weekend anyway. So we
didn't think about that.
No, it's Saturday, so we thought it's going to be open, but it's not. But it's not a problem, we'll just take it on Monday. So now we're going to continue in the front end. We still have a few things to disassemble there, and then we can start with the sanding. Yes, my matchbox screw over there.
Okay guys, a funny story. So we were actually busy talking about this screwdriver while you were busy unscrewing that. And by the way, that is a long what do you call it? Yeah. So anyway, the story is before we started this channel, we found this, or you did, in a Fortuner that you were busy working on. And Murphy's Law, believe it or not,
Yeah,
it's true.
While I was telling her the story, when I found it in this one car, I thought, oh, this guy, I think it has like a bolt on the other side, and as I checked underneath,
This screw now that he's talking about has got a bolt,
yeah, I found the
So you were checking for the size, and then when he looked underneath, he saw this. So it was a coincidence. While you were talking about the story or telling me the story, it happened again. So yeah, and I shared it with you guys.
Yeah, but I'm just gonna take this. It's gonna be way quicker because it's long screws. So
Let's do it. Unscrew it.
Right guys, so we sanded the engine bay. Well, not the entire engine bay because there's a lot of grease and oil and stuff over there at the bottom, as
And
you can
rust.
see. And there's some rust. So it's a Sunday today and we have to get engine cleaner to clean that. I tried a few stuff that we have, but it doesn't want to clean it. So, and then also the rust we're going to sandblast out. There's a lot of rust, so
We'll do that in the next video, basically.
We'll do that in the next video because we also have to sandblast at the back of the bakkie. You know, there's some rust there as well, like on the where we need to rubberize. But then we'll sandblast this, and also at the bottom over here there's a lot of rust.
Yes, that we will
right
sand.
there. So I'll just sandblast that out and give it some what do you call that other stuff?
It's like a sealer or
Seam sealer.
Seam sealer.
Give it some seam sealer so it doesn't rust in that seam again, you know.
Yes.
And also guys, sorry if the video is a bit short. We painted like the Mazda this week.
Yeah, we've done a lot of things during this week actually.
Yes.
So we didn't have that much time to work on the bakkie, and we had to wait for it to dry anyways.
Yeah, we had to wait for the primer, but we're gonna
Yeah.
work on the engine bay and the back, and then afterwards sand the primer. And then also we painted the
The forks. Or actually,
you painted it. For
it's
the
my first time.
Yes,
It was nerve-wracking, but I think I did a decent job. So here's the footage.
tell us what you think about the first paint job. I think it came out pretty smooth. We did give it a polish, so it's more smoother than it was when we painted it, but it still looked nice. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, even if it was short. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers!